Welcome to SolidCAM Professor. I'm Sydney, your SolidCAM Professor, with one of many videos available to you 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. In this session, we'll be showing you some of the improvements that we've made in thread milling, as well as the improvements that we've also made in our regular drilling operations. Now, in our thread milling, if I were to go into my technology field, we've separated our rough and clear offset. Previously, when you did a rough cut on your thread milling, it would automatically open up the clear offset as well. Now when you open up the rough, the clear offset stays closed. You do not have to use clear offset. You can do a rough wall offset, and it'll do this now in one pass to that offset. Of course, if you want to have a clear offset as well, you have no problem. You just click on clear offset and put in the values here as well. Now, in addition, we've made some improvements in our link. We've added a window here called Start from Center. Now, when this is activated, as shown over here, this is the actual default that we've had before. And let's just take a look at how it worked, Start from Center. If I were to run my simulation, and we'll look at this hole over here, you'll see that my tool goes into the center, as shown over here, then moves from the center to the beginning of the entry arc, and then does his entry arc. When we finish, it does the exact same thing. Goes around, goes out with the arc, and then goes back to the center. Now, if this hole over here was a large hole, what would happen is that this travel time over here would take some time, and that would be inefficient as far as doing the thread mill. So what we've done now is as follows. If you were to deactivate the Start from Center, and then I'll run a simulate, what will actually happen is as follows. The tool will go down to the beginning of the arc itself, instead of going to the center. Then continue around, and then go back out to this area over here, and it does not go to the center of the hole, saving us all of that time. Now, another improvement that we've made also in thread milling, and this is true also for our drilling operations, is we've improved our sequence of thread position. Right now, we have all of our options of our sequence open in front of us on the window, instead of the combo box which we had before, making it a lot easier and straightforward to understand of exactly what's going on. We have our default as shown over here. If I were to click on Show Sorted, you can see the default the way it was chosen originally. We have our option of shortest distance, showing you the exact shortest distance now the way it was changed. And we have our advance. Now, in advance, we have these options over here that we've had before, but now they're graphically a lot easier to understand. For example, if I were now to pick this one over here and show the sorted now, you can see exactly the way it's going to work in this zigzag formation. For more videos on SolidCAM Professor, please go to our website, www.solidcam.com, and look for the tab called SolidCAM Professor. Thank you for joining us on SolidCAM Professor. Take care and have a nice day.